this is Ervina here and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm gonna review my Moza Mini Mi gimbal and the reason why I buy this bad boy. Let me explain first. For the gimbal, the price will be run you around 1,200,000 rupiah in Indonesia. So he got a 10 hours of battery life that is not with a wireless charging enable. And you're gonna get micro USB cable charger as well for the ports over here. And you guys know how I feel about this. And something that you don't see on most gimbal is the wireless charging. Now this is really awesome. If you have got a Galaxy device or iPhone supporting wireless charging, just for allow your phone a little bit more longer. You also get some standard USB port over here as well if your phone doesn't support the wireless charging. First off, quick of what you get inside the box. Now really essential is this really tiny tripod that is pretty much the most useful thing you can get with a gimbal. And this is something that you will not get in other gimbal, or if they have, it is just stand. So it's really nice to have this tripod included in the packaging. Also, really easy way to prop up the gimbal itself, and general if you need place it down or if you need get everything level, and this is a great way to do it. And the gimbal will be hold like a 300 grams or 10 ounces roughly. And also you have two mount accessories on the 2/4 20 thread here, and then one in the back over here, more 1/4 20 thread on the back, one on the bottom, for the mounting additional accessories still. So basically you can do anything like attaching a screen or microphone or general anything you can think of. And this is the only gimbal with so many attachments on there. Now on the actually stabilization of your device. Now don't get fooled into thinking that a gimbal stabilizer is instantly gonna make all of your footage extremely smooth. You do need actually to do some manual work to get it a little bit level beforehand, before actually turning on the gimbal, because the reason is you want to have the exactly straight horizon and to make the gimbal not doing too much work. So you got a screw over here in the back to balance. You just release the screw and try to make it balance left to the right, just like this. And you can tighten it up again, the screw. So it's gonna show you like this, it's already balancing. So basically what you want to do is imagine that your phone is laying on the table, and imagine how straight that's going to be from the side and also the top when you are looking at it. So as you can see, just by moving the phone around so slightly, you can see that it's pretty much level here. Again, gonna help with those motors that I mentioned. So then when you are go to actually turn it on, it's not gonna doing as much work at all. So again, in terms of the battery life of the actual gimbal, the motor life is gonna be a lot better once everything all level and smooth, as you can see here. Now the triple tap of left hand side bottom, that puts you lock mode. So as you can see here, no matter what you do with the gimbal, it's not gonna move your device at all. And you can even move the handle 360 degrees. It's very stable, very secure. And a quick tap double left side will then put into pan mode. Turning from left and right is greater than allow it actually really smoothly follow. I found they have also got basically a sport mode as well. So again, if you tap on the right hand side, as you can see here, it's gonna move the gimbal extremely quickly for if you want to catch any sport moment. And triple tap on the hand side, then that's going to allow you to pan up, down, left and right, no matter what direction what you want to go, it's gonna follow you exactly where you point the gimbal. So again, double press this button down here. It switches the camera around completely, allowing you to get some really awesome selfie mode from the back camera. Also, you can use the joystick above the control dial as well if you want to get some very precise movement. Well, again, panning from left to right as well, you can easily use the joystick. Now double tap on down of the joystick. You can see here, well, that's gonna do again completely switch around the camera itself. It's going to turn into selfie mode. Alright guys, let's take a look at the Moza Mini Genie application. Let's begin with the bottom menu here. So this is the gallery where it stores all your videos and photos, and you can select them. And the second button here actually give you option the gimbal parameter setting like inception mode speed, inception smoothness, zoom speed, and everything is there calibrate, which is I don't want to do. And here is to disconnect from the Bluetooth of the gimbal from the phone. And you have in here, this is a fast tracking, which is a really nice features. And you have in here, the bottom in here, we have a flip camera to the front facing camera. And then you have setting bottom here, and let's start to the bottom here. This is your camera. You can set it up for photos, video, slow motion, time lapse, and advanced time lapse as well. Over here you can change the resolution. You can begin at 720, 30 frames, 60 frames, 120 frames, 240 frames as well. And 720, the same goes for 1080p. And also you have 4K here, setting 24, 30 and 60 frames respectively. And here for the flash, and you can turn on or you can turn off. Anti-shake features, you also have a filter over here. Have a 9 total filters in here. You also have reference line. You also can add the grid or no grid. You have so many selection grid in here. Then you have this gradienter features, sounds meter, Bluetooth microphone. You have a live streaming also, but I didn't use yet this live streaming. And even you can actually reset the camera setting over here. So up to here, this is the battery or your phone, and then the next one is the battery for your gimbal. So you have a 2 battery will be showing up on your screen on your phone. And then this is, you can see the setting of your camera over here. So alright guys, that's it for my review. A couple of final thoughts on this gimbal. I'm very pleasant with it overall. I don't have any issue with this gimbal so far. The only issue that I did have was with the advanced time lapse. I tried to add my points and the screen doesn't respond over when you try to add the points using the plus signs on the screen. Again, overall, I'm really happy with this gimbal, and I do recommend if you are getting into filmmaking, into vlogging. It is a great way to capture some of awesome footage using your smartphone or Android. So guys, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave them down in the comment below and I will get back to you. Alright guys, that's it from me. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you on my next video. Be safe, stay healthy, and I love you guys.